Hey Leo, if you could travel anywhere in the US right now, where would you go?
Good question. I think I'd go to Yellowstone National Park. It looks amazing in pictures. So much nature.
Oh, I've been there. It's beautiful. There are geysers, waterfalls, and lots of wild animals. You'd love it.
I bet. I've only seen videos. What about you? What's one of the most beautiful places you've visited?
I think Grand Canyon in Arizona. It's just breathtaking. The views are so huge and colorful.
That's on my list too. I want to go hiking there. I heard the sunsets are incredible.
They are. The sky turns red, orange, and pink. It feels like you're in a painting.
Wow! Have you been to New York City?
Yes, many times. It's not nature, but the city lights and Central Park make it a beautiful place in a different way.
I agree. I love the view from the Empire State Building. And at night, Times Square is full of energy.
Yeah, and during Christmas, the decorations in NYC are so magical.
I also love California's coast. Big Sur, for example, has cliffs and ocean views that are unforgettable.
Yes, I drove along the Pacific Coast Highway once. It's one of the most scenic drives in the US.
What about Florida? Have you been to the Florida Keys?
I have. The beaches are amazing. Clear water, white sand, and palm trees everywhere.
Sounds like paradise. I've only been to Miami, but I really liked it. The vibe is fun and the beaches are great.
True. And have you seen photos of Lake Tahoe?
Oh yes, it looks stunning, especially in winter when there's snow all around.
Exactly. In the summer, the lake is crystal clear and perfect for swimming or kayaking.
Another beautiful place I want to visit is Hawaii, especially Maui or Kauai.
I went to Oahu last year. The beaches are unbelievable, and the mountains are so green. It's like a dream.
I need to go. The US has so many amazing places. It's hard to pick just one.
I know. Nature, cities, beaches, mountains. There's something for everyone.
We should make a travel list and start planning weekend trips.
I love that idea. Let's start with a national park.
Yellowstone?
Deal.